Today, Bitcoin has become one of the most good speculation choices. Despite the fact that the cost effectively changes, many individuals actually accept they can acquire gigantic benefits by putting resources into Bitcoin. We should figure out specialists' expectations on Bitcoin (BTC) cost in 2022 in view of the past Bitcoin cost forecast in 2021 and before years. Bitcoin (BTC) news update. As revealed by CNBC, the Fed declared a loan fee increment of 0.75%. Subsequently, BTC costs rose emphatically by more than 7% from $21,500 to $23,000 on 28 July 2022. According to Cointelegraph, Tesla, the second biggest Bitcoin holding organization, sold 75% of its Bitcoin property, which esteemed $936 million, in the second quarter of 2022. On 15 July 2022, two Bitcoin cost overview surveys anticipated that Bitcoin cost could drop to $10,000 soon, as per Cointelegraph. CNBC revealed that the expansion rate in the US rose to 9.1% in June. Thus, the cost of Bitcoin fell by 6% to beneath $19,000 on 13 July 2022. Bitcoin price movement in recent years. At the point when we examine Bitcoin value advancement and development since its creation, it will require an unquestionably lengthy investment, as this cryptographic money was made back in 2009. From that point forward, Bitcoin cost has varied a considerable amount, very much like some other digital currency. To figure out Bitcoin unpredictability level, we've followed Bitcoin cost development in 2021. As per CoinMarketCap, on 9 January 2021, Bitcoin cost expanded by 559%, contrasted with the earlier year. One component that records for this lift is Bitcoin Taproot update. Bitcoin required short of 1 month in 2021 to hit its cost record in 2020. BTC value soared to $40,000 on 7 January 2021. Then, in mid-April 2021, Bitcoin hit its all-time high of $60,000. This tremendous increment was because of Coinbase's choice to open up to the world on 14 April 2021. Tragically, all through the mid-year of 2021, BTC cost dropped by half and arrived at its most minimal level at $29,000 on 19 July 2021. A couple of months after the fact, in September 2021, BTC bounced back to $52,693, yet just for a brief time. Something like 14 days after the fact, there was a gigantic withdrawal, making the cost drop back to $4,709. On 7 November 2021, Bitcoin arrived at its all-time high at $67,549. It was the most elevated Bitcoin cost all through 2021. Then, toward the beginning of December 2021, the value dropped to $49,243. At the point when we distributed this video on 9 June 2022, as per CoinMarketCap, BTC to United States dollars is at $30,252.27. Specialists' prediction of Bitcoin price in 2023. As per CryptoNews, Bitcoin (BTC) cost in 2022 would surpass $70,000 and remain consistent at that level. The site additionally anticipated that the least Bitcoin cost would remain at $65,000 this year. In the meantime, the examiners expected that the most noteworthy Bitcoin cost would reach past $72,000 out of 2023. Experts' prediction of Bitcoin price in 2024. CryptoNews anticipated that Bitcoin would start its excursion in 2024 by remaining at $78,000 by and large. BTC greatest exchange worth would be around $85,000 of every 2024. Contrasted with the earlier year, Bitcoin cost will in general fundamentally expansion in 2024, alongside other digital money. Specialists' prediction of Bitcoin price in 2025. In light of Changelly.com, BTC cost will ascend much higher in 2025. The site predicts that Bitcoin will be exchanged at $124,520.58 on normal, with a limit of $137,071.13. BUSINESS2 community is then again more negative about BTC cost rise and conjecture that BTC cost will increment to $80,000 toward the finish of 2025. Experts' prediction of Bitcoin price in 2026. Perceprediction.net specialists accept that the cost of Bitcoin will arrive at a limit of $214,232.74 and at least $181,308.21, with a typical cost at $186,289.04 in 2026. In the meantime, Crypto sees more potential in Bitcoin and estimate that Bitcoin cost will end 2026 at $274,279.582 by and large. Specialists' prediction of Bitcoin price in 2027. As per Crypto's cost expectation, BTC appears to have an exceptionally splendid future, as it will begin the year at a normal of $280,279.966 and will end 2027 at $369,103.045, with a base and limit of $343,265.831 and $394,940.257. Perceprediction.net then again predicts that the greatest cost of BTC in 2027 can ascend to $306,558.57, with at least $260,604.85. Specialists' prediction of Bitcoin price in 2028. In view of tech news leaders' exploration and examination, Bitcoin cost will increment as high as $386,385.43 in 2028, with a normal typical cost at $319,069.36. In any case, Perceprediction.net is more hopeful about BTC execution. The site conjectures that the coin cost will climb to $454,445.60 in 2028, with at least $374,918.77. Most extreme cost will ascend to $527,917.79, with a typical cost of $477,253.81, as indicated by Tech News Leader's examination. While Crypto predicts that Bitcoin greatest cost will be essentially as high as $715,220.08